Open a folder and go to C. Open Riot Games. Open your Riot Client folder. Move your VC runtime 140.dll file into your desktop. Right-click your Valorant shortcut and select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Wait for the launcher to repair itself. If that didn't work, delete all the DLL files inside this folder. Right-click your Valorant shortcut and select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Press Install. Now wait for Valorant to download the deleted files. Now launch your game. Now your problem should be fixed.